In this video, I'm going to share with you the updates by IRCC for international students. Welcome back to Bani Abroad. If you're new to this channel, then I make content on studying and settling abroad, which will give you an edge. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit it right now. Why am I smiling? Because this video is going to bring a smile on your face, and not only the updates that I'm going to tell you in this video, but also because I have a special announcement towards the end of the video which is going to benefit you a lot. So make sure that you stick till the very end, because the updates are going to be important so that you can plan your travel accordingly. And second, because the announcement is worth the wait. I know a lot of you have been sitting at home waiting for that update that yes, now is the time to go to Canada. Finally, good news. Also, if you want to avail a 101 virtual video strategy session with me, the response that I've been getting from people who have taken that strategy session is really amazing. So if you're also interested in getting valuable information, then you can book the slot through the link in the description box as well as in the first comment. Before we start discussing the updates, I have a small favor to ask from you. Can you hit that like button? Can you? Yes, you already did. Thank you so much. So what it does is that it shows YouTube that you like my content and that it would be useful for a lot more people, and it pushes the video to those people as well. So thanks a ton. Now let's dive deep into the video. You won't need to quarantine starting from July 5th, 11:59 p.m. EDT if you come under these two criteria. The first one is that you are fully vaccinated, and I'll come to what are the vaccines that are accepted by the Canadian government. The second criteria is that you should have a valid study permit. Your institution should be DLI approved. You can find the link in the description box through which you can check whether your college or university is DLI approved. Now coming to the vaccines that are approved by the Canadian government. So these are Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson or AstraZeneca, also goes by Covishield. Of course, you'll have to show a document that you have been vaccinated and you have gotten one out of these vaccines and that you're fully vaccinated. And of course, it goes without saying that the pre and on arrival COVID tests, they are still there, and you have to test negative in order to board the flight. And second, on arrival, you have to test negative. If you test positive, of course, you'll have to quarantine. This is a great news, but what good is it if you can't travel from India to Canada directly? But there's a good news for that as well. Flights from India to Canada will resume starting July 21st. So hurry up and book your tickets, because you're going to face a lot of competition since a lot of people were stuck and everyone would want to come to Canada, right? And if you would want a cheap ticket, then I do have tips for you, and those were covered in this video. So make sure that you check the video out to save loads of money. There's one another thing that you need to take care of regarding the vaccines, that you should have been administered with your vaccine doses 14 days prior to your arrival in Canada. I hope that you're smiling by now, but let me make you smile more. Coming to the announcement part. Going forward, I'm going to pick the most liked comments starting from this video. So you can post your queries down below. It can be related to Canada, it can be related to me, or it can be some general comment as well. And I will cover that in my next video. Make sure that you utilize this amazing opportunity by commenting in the comment section right now. And don't forget to hit that like button. I hope that you did enjoy this video and you are happy, and the confusion regarding when you would be able to travel to Canada is now finally gone. I wish you all the best for those who are planning to travel to Canada or for those who are waiting for their study permit. I hope that you get it soon. Also, if you want to get into your dream university or college and need help with your application service, be it the SOP, LORs, resume or the interview, I do provide that through my consulting firm Collegiado. You can check the website link in the description box down below. So if you did like this video, I know that you have already hit the like button. Now let's smash the subscribe button and make sure that you press the bell icon as well, because the sooner that you comment, the better the chance that people will like your comment, and then your comment would be the one that I would pick for my next video. I'm really excited for this. Let's see what's that comment in the next video now. Until my next video, take care and stay happy. Bye.